make some money. Let's make some money, son!
Hey yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Flow Exchange. I'm back with another weekly market breakdown video. So if you're new, please do subscribe and like this video and leave your comments in the comment section. And yeah, without any waste of time, let's get into the video. So in this week's market breakdown, I'm going to be analyzing NASDAQ, US30 and gold. So yeah, let's get into the video. I'm gonna start analyzing with NASDAQ, which is well known as NAS100 or US30. So yeah, I'm gonna start on the daily time frame and move to smaller time frames as I usually do. So I'm going to start with the overall trend. So this is the trend from the previous months and weeks. So honestly, this trend is important, but at the moment it's not actually serving much purpose, since the market has already broken out of it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna delete it and throw another trend that I see. So I have a bullish trend over here. I have a bullish trend, so I'm gonna do the twin to make it right, and then yeah, here it is. This is my bullish trend. So let me go down to the H4 time frame. So as you can see, on my bullish trend, the market has actually broken out of the trend, and here there's also a support zone. I can also see a major resistance zone over here. So the market has actually reversed 3 times over there, and then after that broke out of the trend, which means that the market is actually ready for sales. So what we can do is wait out for a retest towards this level, a retest over here on this trend, and then from there we can take the move to the downside. Or if you're skeptical, you can wait for a breakage of this zone, which will serve a perfect entry, with less risk compared to this one. So yeah, this is what I see for the week. I see sellers on NAS100, given that it broke out of the main bullish trend. But all I can say is that the market might not sell off as it usually or it was doing in the previous months. So yeah, you can take short-term sales for now. Yeah, so let's move to the next pair, US30. I'm studying the analysis on the daily time frame, and I zoom out so that I can see all the reversal zones and mark them out so that I know where the market has a high probability of turning or changing direction. So I'm just gonna mark out the reversal zones on the daily chart and mark out the high. Okay, and then mark out this zone as well. Yeah, this one and this one again. Which is also the highest high. So I'm gonna zoom in so that I can see the structure, but all I see right now, it's a bearish trend that has been broken, and the market actually gave a retest on this trend, and then it gave a retest over here after this breakage, and then went up, shot up straight. So yeah, I'm gonna dive deeper to a smaller time frame so that I can see the structure clearly. Yeah, but firstly I'm gonna zoom in so that I can also see what's going on here and mark out certain zones. But for now, that's all I see. Let me go down to the H4 time frame, and then on the H4 I see a small bullish trend towards the upside. Here is connected, and I can also try and make a resistance trend line. Let me do this. It don't work. It won't work. Just gonna see. It don't work. It don't work. So I also see a resistance zone over here, which the market has respected quite a number of times. So even right here I see a support zone as well. So yeah, for now let me go to the H1 so that I can see what is happening. Yeah, and there's a bearish trend within this zone, so let me make it out real quick. Mark that out as well. So this is a bearish trend inside this zone. So what I'm seeing here, what could possibly happen on US30 is that since US30, Nasdaq and German 30 move in the same direction, what could happen is that the market could come here, touch this trend line, over there, and come down. That's what could possibly happen. That's the move I'm actually anticipating given the structure. So the market has actually touched here, and then this is the third touch. So I'm expecting the market to come down after touching this trend. Yeah, so that is it for US30. But for entry purposes, what I'll do is mark out a zone over here. Gonna make it thin, target the spikes, and then go to the 30-minute time frame and see. So as you can see, the market has actually lost bullish momentum over here, meaning that it could go down a bit and then touch this trend and then come back down, or it could break this trend, and then given that, I'll wait out for a retest and then enter the buys. Yeah, so that is it for US30 pair. So it's gold. So what happened was the market was actually going up and formed a bullish trend, and gold broke out of that bullish trend. As you can see, it broke over here and then came back for a retest and then shot down, went down to the downside. So for this week, what I'm expecting is the continuation of sellers, continuation of sellers. So I'm just gonna mark out. Okay, let me go to the H4 time frame first before I mark out anything. So I'm gonna mark out zones where I know I can enter, trade, sells towards the downside. Since gold, can sell up to this level over here, so for now I can find zones where I can find proper entries and enter the sells on gold. So another potential entry point could be this level over here. Since the market has actually reversed quite a number of times, I'm very confident that the breakage of this zone is the perfect entry point. So for now I'll wait out the market to see what happens during the market open. So what could possibly happen is that the market could buy and reach this zone over here and sell and break this zone and sell up until it reaches this 1760. So I'm expecting it to reach 1760. But for now I'm just gonna wait out the market and see how it plays out, and when I find an entry here, I'm going to enter. If the market breaks out over here, I'm gonna enter the sell. So that is it for this week's weekly market breakdown. So if you enjoyed the video, do subscribe, like, and don't forget to share the video.
Monday is here. It's time to make money. These dreams are not going to chase themselves. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Open the window and feel the sunshine. Feel the sunlight. Open the These dreams are not going to chase themselves. Monday is here. Let's make money.